Hey everybody! Today, come back to the 60s beat with the great hits from the 60s. You don't know like I know. Free version, there is a lot of, but free version. One Northern Soul, one Jamaican Soul, and one Reggae Soul. Sound sorry? Yeah. Put your dancing shoes. This is You Don't Know Like I Know. For all of you, listen, enjoy, it's a gift. Ha! Owen Gray. What the woman has done for me. In the morning she's my water. In the evening she's my cup of tea now. And I won't ever leave her. Never mind. This love is a miracle every day. With me. You don't know like I know. Reggae passion, the pioneer.
You don't know like I know what that woman has done for me. In the morning, she's my water. In the evening, she's my cup of tea. And I won't ever leave her, never let her cry. I go to her and like a miracle, everything's gonna be alright. You don't know like I know
Do not
what
miss
that woman
my
has
next
done
radio
for me.
show.
In
Yeah.
the morning, she's my water. In the evening,
7 Jamaican review for my birthday.
what she wants,
Sky, rocksteady, soul, and the reggae.
yeah,
Everybody.
good love, yeah. Then she begs, then she begs, then she begs on the plea.
Have a good Sunday, friends, and do not miss 007 on the radio.